Hey everybody, it's Gypsy, and welcome to On the Edge of Appalachia. As you can see, Rhiannon is glad the weather has improved. Anyways, so we had that snowstorm at the beginning of the week. We got, well, several inches. This cat, she's like flopping down right in front of me. We got several inches. I had said after the snow melted, I would come out to the garden and, well, see what it looks like, my cold crops that I still had out there. So, oh, it is a gorgeous day. It's in the upper 40s, sunny, which is real nice. I think it's supposed to get into the 50s once or twice over the next 10 days. And mostly 40s. So let's see. Here, a lot of dripping still. Oh, there's still a little snow on the roof. Yep, everything's mushed down. That's my lovage and valerian roots over there. So, of course, the mint is doing fine. Nothing. I don't think anything kills mint. Really don't. So, yep. The I have some carrots in there. How did that happen? Yeah, my nasturtiums. They've had it. Ooh, my Parisian market carrots. Let's see how they're doing. Okay, see, chickens got their feathers in there. Whoops! She just the pot that I'm looking in here. She just jumped right over it. She's a nut. Let's see. Looks like we have some carrots coming along real nice. Oops. I'm gonna, hopefully in the next few days, get to extending this garden here. There she's doing it again, crossing right in front of me. Silly girl. She loves rolling around on the weed. Uh-oh, I better secure that. On this weed fabric, she loves it. Oh, look how pretty. My raspberries. They turned a purplish color in the cold. Okay. There she goes. Crazy cat. Super cat. That's who she is, super cat. I actually forgot to finoculate one of them, fennel. So I'm just leaving it, see what happens. And it seemed to do well through the snowstorm. Okay. Yeah, these radish, these are my second batch of radish. Looking good. Yep. They're looking good. Okay. Oh. Well, it's colder back here than I thought. Let's see the Lincoln peas. These Lincoln peas do not look like Lincoln peas. These are supposed to be the rounder pods, you know, the shelling pods. But it does not appear that that's what I got in my seed packet. Let's check down here. Whoops, these are flopped over. Yeah, I got the wrong, I asked for Shelly peas and these are snow peas. But I suppose it makes up for what the deer ate over there. Ooh, cold, cold, cold. Anyways, yep. Beans are definitely done. So I'm gonna see if I could save any beans from the pods to dry. Let's go check these radish over here. Whoops. I kind of slid with my cane. Not a good idea. These are my third plantings of radish. Right here. They're doing good. Still young yet. Oh, carrots are looking lovely. Whew. Every time that wind blows, I'm freezing. Yep, they're all looking good, nice and fresh and crisp and showing shoulders. The little putans showing shoulders. Let's see, yes, all you Dagos laugh out there. Oh yeah, I got nothing. Nothing. Yeah, the deer, yeah, they got all the pods. Oh, let's see. Well, I know my son cut a bunch of this for dinner the other night in the middle of the snowstorm. And the leaves fared well. I don't know. We'll see how they do. Yeah, I mean, they still feel okay, but there's not much left of it. This is, woo, look at that baby. I'm going to pick it for dinner. Maybe I'll do some, I love roasted radish. Any kind of roasted root vegetable. So good. So maybe here's another. Get some for dinner tonight. And roast them. Oh gosh. Okay, so that's all I have planted now. So I think I'm going to leave you with that. Blessed be, and make it a joyful one.